This is Lady Wrenchhand, and this is Aircraft Structures 41 through 60. 41. What is another name for the empennage? Tail section. 42. What two fixed flight control surfaces in the empennage provide stability? The horizontal stabilizer and the vertical stabilizer. 43. Directional flight control on fixed-wing aircraft takes place on what axes? Lateral, longitudinal, and vertical. 44. What are the two major groups that the movable flight control surfaces are divided into? Primary or main flight control surfaces and the secondary or auxiliary control surfaces. On fixed-winged aircraft, the primary control surfaces include ailerons, elevators, and the rudder. 46. Where are the ailerons usually located? The outboard trailing edges of the wings. 47. Where is the elevator located? It is attached to the trailing edge of the horizontal stabilizer. 48. Where is the rudder located? The trailing edge of the vertical stabilizer. 49. What major flight control surfaces changes pitch? The elevator moves the aircraft about the lateral or horizontal axis. 50. What primary flight control surface moves the aircraft about the vertical axis, or yaw? The rudder. 51. What primary flight control surface moves the aircraft about the longitudinal axis? The ailerons. 52. When the aileron on one wing deflects downward, in what direction is the aileron on the opposite wing deflected? The opposite aileron is deflected upwards. 53. How are the ailerons controlled in the cockpit? By a side-to-side motion of the control stick or a rotation of the control yoke. 54. How are the elevators controlled in the cockpit? By pushing or pulling the control stick or yoke forward or aft. 55. What primary flight control surface provides directional control? The rudder. 56. How is the rudder controlled in the cockpit? By use of rudder pedals. 57. What are the secondary or auxiliary flight controls? Flaps, trim tabs, balance tabs, anti-balance tabs, servo tabs, spoilers, slats, slots, and leading edge flap. 58. Where are the flaps usually found? Inboard trailing edge of the wings and adjacent to the fuselage or inboard leading edge. 59. What fixed-wing aircraft configuration does not have a horizontal or vertical stabilizer? VTEL. 60. Can slats be operated independently of the flaps? Yes, by using a switch in the cockpit. You know what to do. Like, share, comment, subscribe.